Hi, I'm Valerie from OnPay, and welcome to day 2 of our 12 days of Sleighing year-end payroll. Your go-to for staying organized and confident as we close out the year. Today's tip is to review your year-to-date payroll data for accuracy. Take some time to run a year-to-date payroll summary and make sure that your numbers look right, especially your total wages, taxes, and deductions. If you've issued any paper checks or cash payments outside of your payroll system, like bonuses, commissions, or 1099 contractor payments, or if you've made any manual adjustments during the year, double check that those are included. Catching discrepancies now keeps your W-2s and year-end filings accurate. And if you do spot anything that needs fixing, you may need help from an accounting professional or your payroll provider's support team. Be sure to make updates soon so that everything is included in this year's totals. That's a wrap for day 2. Join me tomorrow when we'll talk about planning ahead for year-end bonuses and how to make sure they're processed on time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.